Hello guys, I've just built a brand new hide and I would love to share this process with you, as well as the 5 top features that make a hide the perfect photographic hide. Let's get started. Number 1, location. Location. Over here we chose the Kalahari, and when you decide to build a photographic hide, it needs to be in an area where the animals would like to come to you, the area where they need to go and drink water, area where they know there's been water and they are used to people around them. In the Kalahari there's limited water supply, and the few water holes that's there get very frequently visited by animals. And it also needs to be a location where a variety of animals come to. So a water hole like this, that's been around forever, absolutely perfect. Number 2, eye level. As photographers, you all know we can never go too low, and you would love to be right on eye level, at water level, taking pictures of animals coming to the water hole. That's the reason why we have to dig a nice big hole and we sink the hide nice and low into the ground, so that when we shoot we can be right on eye level. Number 3 that makes the perfect photographic hide is direction. That's a big decision. You need to decide whether you want a west-facing, east-facing hide. Do you want to get morning light from behind you? Do you want to shoot into the light? What's the behavior of the animals? This specific location, we've got animals visiting the waterhole more frequently in the morning. And we decided to have beautiful light from behind us in the morning, and then in the afternoons, that stunning, dusty, backlit, sun-setting pictures. So this specific hide, we built facing west, nice and low. Number 4, features inside the hide. There's a lot of wonderful features we can put inside the hide to make it more friendly for photographers. For instance, this beautiful, strong concrete bench, so you don't bother or shake the person next to you. No windows whatsoever. In this dusty environment, windows is not a great idea. It gets very dirty very quickly, and you don't want to shoot through a dirty piece of glass. We've got these doors folding down in case the animals gets too close, makes it nice and safe, and also close it during nighttime. You don't want to have a surprise tomorrow morning with a snake or a leopard waiting for you. Then carpet everywhere to absorb the sound and take away the echo, and a beautiful dark carpet from behind us so that the animals don't see us silhouetted. Also rubber flooring, absolutely crucial, so when people walk around, it doesn't make a racket. All right, number 5, accessibility and comfort. You don't want to sit in a hot steel box all day. That's why this hide is built out of concrete. We're basically underground. The temperature in here stays constantly beautiful. You also don't want to sit here being uncomfortable, that you need to loo. So when you walk outside the door, it's very well protected. The animals can't see you going there, and you've got this beautiful loo with a view that you don't miss anything while you're in there. Also, we've got this lovely benches in the back, not finished yet, that will be put on today. And that's a place to put your camera bags and make it comfortable, and you don't step on each other's bags. Then bean bags, extremely important. This whole area is going to be full of bean bags of different sizes, so you can put your lens just on that perfect height for you. Then accessibility, very important to be able to access a hide very easily. This hide is quite far from camp. It's a good 20-minute drive to get here. The number 1 and the best and the golden prize is obviously having the hide right by camp, so you can go there anytime. But sometimes you need to give a little to get a little. To have this amazing location, you're going to have to drive here. Guys, the 5 features that makes a good photographic hide, according to me. Over the years, we've learned KISS. Keep it safe but simple. And that works usually the best. Can't wait to have you here with me. Take some pictures. I see some zebra coming. See you soon. Bye-bye. Good old Kalahari, building a sunken hide. Some days in the Kalahari, things get very warm. And it's very, very interesting how warm it can get. Here we are, busy putting scaffolding. As you can see, all the scaffolding here behind me. And when you pick up the scaffolding, it's pretty warm. Let me give you an example. Some scaffolding and an egg. Break it. And there you go. Scrambled egg. Thank you for watching this video about a hide we built at Dinaka, one of Gerhard Downey's properties. And if you would like to join us on a safari here in Botswana, please click the link below. And one of our expert safari planners will contact you to put together that perfect African safari. And if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe. There's plenty more to come, like for instance our next one about our new gallery up in Chobe, Kasane. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.